We tried the luxurious, the opulence river cruise in Bangkok, Thailand, and here's how it all went. Hey Jarelskis! We booked this through Klook using the discount code Jarel Rendon Klook. We got this for 2,700 pesos per person all in na. You will dock near the Iconsiam Mall. Come in early, don't be late kasi strict talaga sila sa time. And so upon boarding, you will be welcomed by the staff. You have assigned table and seats na, so they will guide you going there. The table that we got was on the middle deck near the buffet table, so easy access. Included on what you paid was a dinner buffet. Pretty much, sakto lang yung choices, hindi ka ma-overwhelm. May mga premium seafoods, makis and sushis that we really enjoyed kasi ang fresh naman talaga nila. And of course, premium quality. Other food options naman is mix yung choices. So hindi lang siya limited sa Thai food. I guess ang reason why we choose the opulence is their steak. Based on the views, wala sa iba nito. Kaya naman kahit a little more expensive, mas pinili namin itong the opulence and it actually did not disappoint. So you will cruise along Chao Phraya River at may roof deck din sila. You can go up the deck para makita mo yung other views. Plus, they are also doing live performances na mga kabayan pa yung magpo-perform. And the thing is, mapapasayaw ka rin nila. Overall, we had a pleasant experience. Masaya yung cruise, masarap yung food, and we got entertained. Kaya kung pupunta ka ng Bangkok, check mo na rin tong The Opulence River Cruise. Book this through Klook, use my code to get discounts. Cheers!